Ready to up your game with some new grill tools? We researched more than 50 sets before selecting 9 of the best available on the market today. Our team of culinary experts compared these sets side by side to tease out the subtle differences between spatulas and tongs. We tested these tools by actually cooking with them, judging their performance and backing that experience up with scrutiny of their quality and utility. After hours of objective research and hands-on testing, we offer an in-depth review to help simplify your selection process and get you the right tools for the job. If you're planning to do some outdoor entertaining during the warm months, our yard and patio reviews can help. Need some outdoor string lights or solar lights to provide luminance and ambience for your space? There are numerous options for cheap best magnetic bracelets, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best magnetic bracelets from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Links in the description box for each products mentioned. Number 1. Alpha Grillers Heavy Duty 4-Piece Set. The Alpha Grillers Heavy Duty 4-Piece Set is a purposefully designed kit built to last. This is a no-frill set of essentials, and the tools are constructed with heavy-gauge stainless steel. Although many companies advertise heavy duty, this is the only set we tested that is cast thick enough not to flex or bend. The handles are backed with ergonomic rubber grips that conform nicely to the natural contour of the fingers, and although they don't come with a case, these tools do have large hanging loops. We had no complaints with the well-refined design of the fork, spatula, and basting brush. However, we have a couple of criticisms of the tongs. Unfortunate, considering tongs are the most often used tool when cooking over an open flame. While all of the other tools measure 18 inches, for some reason, the tongs are shorter at only 15 inches. Number 2. Anpro 21-Piece Grilling Accessory Set. As an everything kit that comfortably transitions between the grill and kitchen, the Anpro 21-Piece Grilling Accessory Set is easily the most valuable kit in this review. The average size of a spatula head in this review is 19 inches. The Anpro spatula only measures 11.25 inches. Although this might seem counterproductive for grilling tools, hear us out. Slightly smaller utensils are actually much more versatile, since you can bring them into the kitchen and have a spatula that is actually small enough to also use in a sauté pan. Similarly, tools like the basting brush can easily transition to other uses, like baking. Unlike other sets in this review, we appreciate that this Anpro kit includes 8 skewers instead of only 2, plenty to realistically make a meal of grilled kebabs. As with many inexpensive products, some quality is sacrificed to keep the price down. The Anpro tools have the shortest handles, at just under 14 inches. Number 3. Weber 3-Piece Stainless Steel Premium Set. The Weber 3-Piece Stainless Steel Premium Set presents functionality particularly suited to grilling. All of these tools have handles that measure just under 18 inches, nearly an inch longer than their closest competitor. The oversized handles are wrapped in a rubberized grip that incorporates finger grooves, making them very comfortable handling. The tongs have a classic scallop design, but uniquely, the teeth are turned inward, providing a superior grip on food when compared directly to almost every other pair we tested. This design, combined with their length, makes them apt for moving around coals to adjust heat zones. The Weber premium tools are well designed for the grill, but too oversized to be versatile in any other capacity. Despite their bulk, they are surprisingly lightweight, but that may come at the expense of durability. Number 4. A great value for tools with wood handles. BBQ-Aid 3-Piece Grill Set. If you are searching for tools with full wooden handles, you will be hard-pressed to find a set at a better price point than the BBQ-Aid 3-Piece Grill Set. Despite their relative position in our review, we loved using these tools. At 24 inches, the spatula head is huge, which makes it more useful for larger grills, with more open cook surfaces. The handles are proportionally sized, measuring just under 17 inches. The premium wood handles are comfortable, don't splinter, and are even claimed to be dishwasher safe, though we generally advise against putting wooden items in the dishwasher. Unfortunately, there are pitfalls to the positive qualities of the BBQ-Aid set. The oversized spatula is anything but nimble and is actually too wide to flip individual items close together on a full grill. Despite their appearance and feel, we worry a bit about the wood on the handle separating over time. Number 5. Cuisinart 13-Piece Bamboo Set. The Cuisinart 13-Piece Bamboo Set will perfectly fit the aesthetic of the modern kitchen. Stainless steel tools are capped with bamboo handles, giving these otherwise basic implements a very clean appearance. This is a surprisingly affordable set, considering the number of pieces included and the fact that it all comes in a hard-sided aluminum case. But the tools themselves are not high quality and have notably short handles, measuring just under 15 inches. The stainless steel is lightweight and flimsy, and the flat neck of the utensils bends out of place, rather than flexing and snapping back to its proper position. Though it fits with the theme of the set, the grill scrubber is designed with bamboo tines that are completely ineffective. We were dismayed that after only 2 uses, the head of our spatula was so loose in its handle that it actually wobbled back and forth. These tools are highlighted in appearance rather than quality construction. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.